The boundary wasn't disrespectful. Their reaction was the confession. I didn't set boundaries because I wanted control. I set boundaries because I wanted peace. I was tired of being the strong one, the flexible one, the one who let it slide, just to keep things from blowing up. And one day it clicked. If I have to shrink to keep you comfortable, that's not love, that's a role. It was always the same cycle. They'd push. I'd explain. They'd dismiss. I'd try again calmer, nicer, softer. And I didn't even notice how much I was abandoning myself until I started feeling resentful for things I said yes to.
Because you never listen to what I need. I'm done discussing this.
So I tried something different. Not a speech, not a threat, just one clean sentence. I said, I'm not doing that anymore. No insults, no blaming, just clarity. And that's when they got angry. Not curious, not open, angry like my boundary was a personal attack.
Stop it! I can't talk to you when you act like this.
That line told me everything. They didn't want a conversation. They wanted access. Here's the truth nobody warns you about. A boundary doesn't damage healthy relationships. It damages arrangements where one person benefits from you having none. When I finally put a limit on something they were used to taking, they called it disrespect. They called it distance. They called it ego. But it wasn't ego. It was self-respect. Then came the guilt tactics. The sighs. The wow, I guess I don't matter to you. The I can't believe you're doing this to me. And I realized something. They weren't asking, how can I meet you there? They were trying to make my boundary feel like a crime. So I stopped debating. Because boundaries aren't arguments. They're decisions. I said, I'm not available for that. I'm not explaining this again. If you keep speaking to me like that, I'm ending this conversation. And the moment I stayed calm, I could feel my power come back. This is how you tell the difference between love and control. A healthy person might feel uncomfortable, but they adjust. An unhealthy person makes your boundary the problem, so they never have to face their behavior. If no makes them rage, it was never about love.
You always do this. I am so sick of your excuses. Just get out.
Shouting isn't going to solve anything right now.
They pushed again. And this time, I followed through. No drama, no long explanation. I stepped back. Because the boundary isn't real until you respect it. And when I finally did, I could breathe. If your calm boundary makes someone angry, it doesn't automatically mean you did it wrong. It might mean you finally did it right. The people who benefit from you having no boundaries will always call you selfish when you grow some. Choose peace anyway. Boundaries don't push away love, they push away misuse. Subscribe for more. Tap like if it hit home.